Hello friends, today I am going to share my review. On my Boat headphones over the head Bluetooth 370 version headphones. Haha, now let's open. A headphone, a USB, warranty card, and also a wire for the headphone. Now let's open this thing. And my ink. Look friends, what a headphone! Just a little more deep. Now I am going to see the sound quality of this headphone. Now I am going to show you by owning this. I on it here. Oh. Wow friends, the sound quality is real good. Bye bye friends.